Hello everyone, and welcome to this exciting walkthrough. In this video, we are going to create a simple snake game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with a bit of a twist. We'll be using an AI-powered coding assistant called Crush to help us generate the game. By the end of this video, you'll witness the entire process from starting with nothing to having a fully functioning snake game that you can play right in your browser. Let's kick things off by previewing our final game. Here we have a classic snake game interface. A clean grid layout with a score displayed at the top. The red dot represents the food for the snake, while the green block is the snake itself, which you move around using the arrow keys. When it eats the food, it grows, and yes, your score goes up. At the bottom, you'll find two buttons, Start and Reset. The game will run directly in your browser using a local HTML file, and we're going to generate all of this with the help of Crush. Now let me introduce you to Crush, a fantastic tool created by the team at Charm Bracelet. You can find it on GitHub. It's an open source AI coding agent designed to run right in your terminal. A few important highlights. Crush supports multiple language models, lets you maintain session history, and even integrates with language server protocols for enhanced coding support. And guess what? It works across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, WSL, and even BSD systems. Pretty impressive, isn't it? Let's get started. First, we'll need to clone or download the Crush repository and open it in Visual Studio Code. Navigate to the main file, main.go. This is the file responsible for initializing Crush when we run it from our terminal. Now let's open the terminal and run the command, go run. And in just a few moments, the Crush terminal interface will spring to life, complete with some funky ASCII art and branding. Once Crush is up and running, you can start interacting with it, just like you would with ChatGPT or any coding assistant. Now let's type in our prompt. We'll write, make me a snake game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Crush will process this request and generate the complete code for our game. It will provide everything you need. The HTML for structure, the CSS for styling, and the JavaScript to handle game mechanics like movement, collisions, and scoring. Once you have the code, copy it into a new file. Say, snake game HTML. Then simply save the file and open it in your browser, or you can use a live server extension in Visual Studio Code. And there you go. Our snake game is now fully functional. You can click Start to begin playing. The snake moves across the grid, responding to your arrow key inputs. When it eats the red food, it grows and your score goes up. If you need to reset the game, just click the reset button at the bottom. All of this was created in mere seconds with just a single prompt to Crush. So there you have it. A complete snake game built from scratch using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript generated by Crush, your AI-powered coding assistant in the terminal. This tool truly can change the game, whether you're quickly prototyping apps, learning to code, or simply enjoying building retro games like this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, do give it a try yourself.